Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2020 GMC Denali Terrain. The Terrain's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the Terrain Denali, we have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating, power trunk down here as well, automatic fog lights, automatic headlights with our fog lights there. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning, and audio controls on the steering wheel as well. We do have 274 kilometers on the odometer, nevertheless, a brand new vehicle. Push button ignition. We have the large 8-inch touchscreen there. You have navigation as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there. Dual zone climate control, heat and AC, manual or automatic gearing here. USB charging ports, parking sensors, front and rear, 4x4 dial. We have our downhill descent and lane keep assist, heated and ventilated seating there as well. All black interior with the Bose audio equipment, and then our black leather seats with Denali in the headrest there. Taking a quick look at the exterior, we have the 19-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Hankook all-season tires on there as well. Color matched door handles with chrome inserts. Blind spot detection, keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows as well. LED daytime running lamps up front and LED-C tail lamps. Dual chrome exhaust tips and parking sensors in the rear bumper. Looking at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well as they are heated. 60/40 split gives us the ability to fold them down nice and easy. Fold in your headrest. Seat folds down nice and flat, giving us access to the trunk there. LED lighting throughout, and then we have the big moon and sunroof over top, letting in all that natural light. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next all-wheel drive, 5-passenger luxury vehicle, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.